Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by making sure your Ghost account and API key are ready. Two-factor authentication must be enabled for safety. Once done, install the Ghost CLI or compatible client because that tool drives the only way flow. Next, open your terminal and go to the project directory. You will run the initialization command. This creates config files and a local environment. Make sure to note any prompts about ports or domains, and accept defaults only when you understand the implications. Now you configure the internal workflows that make OnlyWay work. You will edit the production config to add webhook endpoints, API tokens, and any environment variables. This tells Ghost where to send events. Then map user intents to handler scripts and register middleware for validation and rate limiting, so requests stay stable. Once mapped, run the local simulator or send curl requests to exercise each flow. Watching logs helps you verify sequence and timing. Make iterative tweaks until responses match expectations. For final steps, deploy using the deployment command and monitor both logs and health endpoints. You want green checks before routing live traffic. Have a rollback plan, tag a last known good release and redeploy quickly if needed. Once live, verify webhooks are reachable and tokens are valid. If something breaks, start by examining logs for stack traces, validate the API token, and test webhook connectivity with a manual request. One key troubleshooting tip. If responses fail, confirm domain and port bindings. Misbound ports are a common culprit.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.